Right now, getting a test proving to be easier said than done. Lines are long at testing sites all over Central Texas, with many people waiting hours. And it's raising the question of whether or not there's enough supply to meet demand. 6 News reporter Bailey Bates spoke with health leaders today. She joins us live with what she learned. Bailey?
Hey Leslie, as you mentioned, people are waiting hours to get COVID-19 tested, not just here in Central Texas, but across the state and across the entire country. If you take a look at this real quick, this is the current line for drive-through COVID-19 testing at Richland Mall in Waco. People tell us it's been looking like this pretty much all day. They have been having to wait hours to get tested and also get the results. And in fact, in the last 30 minutes, staff working this site have actually shut down the line for the day and turned away many vehicles. A spokesperson with the Waco-McLennan County Public Health District says the need for testing really amped up in the last 2 days. Since October, McLennan County was seeing about 400 or so tests conducted on average each day. But starting last week, it slowly climbed, and then yesterday, McLennan County had 1,100 total tests reported. Stephanie Alvey, Assistant Director of the Waco-McLennan County Public Health District, wouldn't specifically say if the county was low on COVID-19 tests, but she doesn't think that the quantity of test kits is why it's hard to get a test locally.
I would say that if you want to get a test right now, it is more difficult to get one. So, and it's mostly testing appointments. It's not necessarily the test kits or the lab capacity. I think they have the capacity. It's just the number of staff they have at the testing sites, the number of people they can process at a time.
Alvey says the goal is to bring in another testing site like they have done with other surge periods. They're also looking at a couple other avenues. Now tonight on 6 News at 6, we check in with smaller county Milam on how they're handling their COVID cases and their COVID tests, and we'll see how all of the other counties are going to be handling this demand of COVID-19 testing. Reporting live in Waco, Bailey Bates, 6 News.
All right, thanks, Bailey.